Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm trying to decide if I want tacos today or nachos. I prefer nachos, but this man here likes tacos. So I don't want to open up whole thing of cheese, that melted cheese, and tortilla chips just for me. So I guess we'll have tacos. And I got this from last time I went to my doctor's office. They have a food pantry. So they let you go in there and get what you want. So this was one of the items I got. Okay, so we're going to have tacos. This is the hard and soft taco shells.
I'm going to eat from it.
I like the hard shells. Walter likes the soft shells the best. So this got the mild taco sauce and the seasoning mix. So I had some seasoning mix and the sauce from another pack just like this that I had bought. So I'll use the old stuff up first. But anyway, I got 2 pounds of ground chuck. That's the 80% lean, 20% fat. So I will be having to dip out grease out of this. And I like pico de gallo. I got the hot pico de gallo. I love it. I'm using this taco seasoning mix. I stopped buying the packets. I always forget how much I'm supposed to use. 1 pound of ground beef. So I use 1/4 cup of this. 1/4 cup. That's what it says. 1/4 cup of taco seasoning mix for 1 whole pound of ground beef. And 3/4 cup of water. In my case, I'll be using the chicken broth instead of water. And I'll be using taco blend cheese to go on top after it's done, and the shredded lettuce. That it? And I'll be using this cute little taco holder thingamajig. I found this at Walmart. It was really cheap. So if you want 3 tacos, you put it on this side. If you just want 2, use that side. But this is pretty. Let's get to the cooking. Okay, and I'll be cooking on my stove today. Oh, I just did some more press-on nails, so I'm trying not to use my nails to open things. I just did them, so I ain't messing up my nails. I already washed my hands and hoping the press-on tabs, the adhesive tabs, don't mess up. I'm using 2 pounds of the lean ground beef. No, it's not lean. I usually buy the lean. This is the ground chuck. With the lean ground beef, you don't have to dip out no grease. But the meat with the most fat in it tastes the best. Has the best flavor. You can always keep me a garbage bag on my other counter over here. Alright, let's turn this on. Let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. You ain't seeing nothing that way. Right there. And I'm using my time and table cookware in black and gold speckles. Okay, let me front. When you got little kids running around the house, cook on the back of your stove. if you have a mixed seasoning, shake it up so you can distribute the seasonings evenly. Usually the heavier stuff will sink to the bottom. And I like the Conti sauce. Walter just likes regular taco sauce. And I like jalapeno peppers. I like everything in here except what's that green stuff? It looks like parsley. What's that green stuff? I don't like that. Okay. I can't remember the word.
Guacamole?
No. It's like parsley. This green stuff. You see the green?
Yeah.
You don't know either. But I don't like it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let this meat cook, and I'll be back. Now, the name I was thinking of is cilantro. I don't like cilantro. Yuck. I forgot I was filming, y'all. Okay, I heated up the taco shells in a plate, and they didn't smell right, so I threw the things away. Kitchen still don't smell right. I know I didn't burn them. If I have a doubt about something, I ain't gonna use it. I think I may just throw this whole kit away. Okay, I got cheese heating up. I had some leftover Tostito cheese. I got it in a saucepan. And I just dipped the grease out of here. I used some watered up paper towels and blotted the grease out of here. So, I'm supposed to use, it was 2 1/4. A half. So I'm going to use a half a cup. That's a third. I want a half a cup. That seems too much. That's too much. I ain't using that much. I'm just going to shake. Whoa. Cut this fire off. The cheese likes to pop. Just gonna shake till I think it's enough. That ain't gonna work. Okay, I'll just taste it after that. Now this one pop. Now, it's the time when I put my liquid in. No, it won't taste like chicken. I decided to make me some nachos. I'm hoping Walter ain't gonna eat these soft taco shells in there. Tortilla, what you call them? Flour tortillas. Since I had a problem with the hard shells, I don't want nothing in that box. Maybe that's why it was free. Ain't no telling what happened to it before they sent that to the food pantry. How it was stored, I don't know. But I eat tacos. I warmed up tacos before and they never smelled like that. Taste. Stand some more. Okay. That should be good. I'll show it to you. Let this simmer, let this seasoning go all through here. I will be back. Oh, now it's smelling like tacos. Okay. Turn it down some. Put this up. Put that up. I'm gonna use that. Where my chips at? I bought these bite-sized tortilla chips, the Great Value brand. Lately I've been buying their potato chips. I used to buy Lay's all the time. Lay's too expensive. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. This is done. Oh. Here's my plate. I got the chips on the plate. I got the shredded lettuce on the chips. And I got some shredded cheese. On top of the lettuce, I'm going to put the meat in the center. Draining it. I want 2 good spoonfuls. Get a slotted spoon. Okay, that's good. Okay, what I need. Oh, that cheese. I'll put the sauce, picante sauce. Y'all see what I'm doing? And this is hot. This is basically like pico de gallo, but it's saucy. Hot peppers, pico. Get the green things out the way. Just got the onion and tomato and the jalapenos. And water don't even want to smell this stuff. This is vegetables. Okay, that's good. I've been watching my 600-pound life. And this looks like one of the plates they make. Let me put some cheese on there. Let's see if it's still hot. Why don't I have a spoon to dip with instead of this spatula? Cause y'all don't see nothing I'm doing, but I'm doing. jalapenos. You can't even see the meat. I mean, I have to put a bit more meat on here. Hope I ain't overdoing it with the hot stuff. The salsa is hot and the pico de gallo is hot. That's enough. Can't see the meat. I got to get a thumbnail. So you got to see some meat on nachos. Right there. Didn't have to be that much. Need some more cheese on that. You know what? I'm gonna use this. That kind of cheese. Taco blend. All this stuff up. I don't think I'm gonna use none of this. Okay, I need a thumbnail, and I'm gonna do a taste test. Okay, here's my nachos. I got the small tortilla chips. I have shredded lettuce. I have shredded cheese. I have the nacho cheese. I have the picante sauce and the hot pico de gallo and some hot jalapeno slices. That's the way I like my nachos. Okay. Okay, here's my plate. Looks like a platter. So I'm gonna get some of the meat, some of the pico de gallo, some of the cheese. I'm tasting it. I love all the spiciness of it. Spicy. I saw that this thumbnail was about to come off, so I pulled it off. Because nobody wants fingernails in their food. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.